Hi everybody, it's Bibi. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, welcome and thanks for stopping in. If you hear my dog bark, I apologize. FedEx, UPS, Amazon, everybody's delivering up and down the street. And she thinks they're coming to see her. So today I'm going to do a quick tutorial. It's a Dollar Tree craft. And we will be making these candles. And when you light them up, very cool, very cool. And I think you're gonna hear I'm sorry, Exie, please, mommy's videoing. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this project are the LED pillar candles from the Dollar Tree or wherever you get them from, and take off the plastic so they look like this. You're gonna need Mod Podge, and I'm using Mod Podge matte, a plate. If you're messy like me, you're going to need a plate. Your choice of glitter, or not glitter if you don't want to glitter them up. And your choice of napkins. And I have a stash of napkins that I've saved over the years. You're going to need a paintbrush, whatever kind you want to use, and a little pair of scissors. So the first thing we do is decide what napkin we're going to use. So I'm going to do this one again. And what I do is I take a little bit of washi tape, put it in the corner, and voila. The back pulls right off. Okay? Then I see where I want to start, and I go ahead and pour out some Mod Podge. You can also make your own Mod Podge. There's plenty of tutorials and recipes out there on the internet. So I just start by putting some on here. And I just kind of start, hopefully you can see this in the corner here. And I'm going to be cutting off this little border piece here. So like I said, I'm going to be cutting off this little green and white striped border piece because I don't want that. And just keep adding your Mod Podge. This is something to do with the older kids. Your little kids, you could let them sprinkle the glitter on if you're going to use glitter. But this does require a little bit of manipulation, so I don't know if little hands, you know, maybe 6, 7, 8-year-olds could do this. And I got this all the way around. And just note, it's not going to be perfectly smooth, and that's one of the cool things about this. It gives it a little rustic appeal. And, of course, when you want your scissors, you can't find them. I'm going to cut off the bottom here. And the nice thing about this, these will make cute, quick gifts. I recommend a set of 3 because odd numbers just seem to do better when you're doing a gift. And then I take the top here and cut that off. Don't worry about if you're not perfectly straight because you're going to cut some more off later. And then see if you've missed anywhere. And if you want, you can just fold this down and just put some on the top here. Fold that down. Okay, there we are so far. Okay, Pretty easy. And normally, what you would do is let this dry, but since this is the magic of TV, YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and do my second coat. And go ahead and get my glitter on. See? And just keep going around. Like I said, it doesn't take that long. You could even get a little assembly line going with these. You know, once you get past your first project, you can just crank these out. And use something where you can catch your glitter so you can reuse your glitter. And voila! Once this dries, it will glow. So I'm going to add another coat of Mod Podge and more glitter to this one. But if you do a set of 3 together, cute teacher gift, office gift, whatever kind of gift. So I want to thank you for stopping by. I have some more wreaths to show you. I'm really hooked on Dollar Tree crafts at the moment. Been off all week, enjoying it. So I just wanted to thank everybody for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button if you would. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I know it doesn't sound like much, but to me, it is. I'm going to have a great giveaway with some dies and other crafty supplies. So you guys have a great holiday, and if you can make it a crafty one, do so. Bye now.